Welcome and thanks for joining us. In this series of videos, we'll cover everything you need to know for a successful Fit Machine deployment. First up, we're going to briefly recap the basics of the Fit Machine solution in case you're completely new to it. Fit Machine is an end-to-end solution for monitoring industrial equipment and is designed to help you transition from traditional programmed or run-to-fail maintenance practices across to predictive maintenance planning. It also helps you keep your team safe by enabling unattended monitoring of difficult to access equipment such as equipment in remote areas, confined spaces, or up at height. The primary hardware component is the Fit Machine itself, a compact wireless sensor which collects vibration, acoustics, and temperature data. It's magnetically attached to your equipment and therefore doesn't usually require a machine shutdown or any special tools to install. Once installed, you set up the sensor with our Fit Machine mobile app in a few easy steps, and we'll be teaching you those shortly. It then communicates the data being collected back to the machine cloud, either via your own Wi-Fi or through a MOVUS gateway. Using that data, the machine cloud's artificial intelligence learns your equipment's normal operating behaviour over several weeks, and thereafter it lets you know of significant changes to the way the equipment is running. The machine cloud's dashboard gives you clear visibility into the health of all of your monitored equipment at a glance, displaying the condition score as well as the data captured from your equipment over time. When abnormal behaviour is detected, the machine cloud dashboard sends alarms to you so that you can inspect the equipment further and determine an appropriate course of action. And that's the basic overview of the Fit Machine solution. I'm sure you got more questions than answers at this point. So continue watching the next videos and we'll be sure to break everything down further for you.